Hello and welcome to the Canvas tutorial. In order to get started with Canvas, you first need to go to UM-Dearborn webpage, which is umdearborn.edu, and then scroll to the bottom of the page to select Canvas. Once you do that, you can select Log into Canvas. And then you'll be prompted to enter your username and password. Go ahead and put those in and then select to log in. After you do the login part, you will be welcomed to the Canvas dashboard. On the dashboard, you'll be able to see all the courses that you've registered for the current semester. Since I've not registered for any classes this semester, my dashboard is empty, but if you want to see the courses that you've taken in the past, you can go to All Courses and select All Courses. And then you'll be able to see all your past and future enrollments. For example, I can see following courses, and if you want to see what a course looks like on Canvas, you can go to the course and you can see the following things like assignments, discussions, grades, pages, files, syllabus, modules. These are some of the tabs under which the professor will upload the course material. And if you have any questions about Canvas, you can go to the help option here and select UM-Dearborn Canvas Help and Support. Once you do that, you'll be able to see the COP Canvas support person and his contact. And if you want to see other Canvas support options, you can scroll to the bottom of the page and see other options that are available 24/7. You can find more information about it right here. If you have any questions about Canvas, you can find all the solutions to it here. Thank you.